On this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about how to help the Edgenuity kids out in your courses and then how to check their progress so that we can enter grades into Power School. The first thing here, when you log in, this should be your home page. And one that is important, you can manage your user groups, which this is what I've done. I have created my blocks on my certain days. So if you can click on that block, then you can see all the kids you have. You can click on them individually instead of having to wade through all of our kids, A through Z up here. But let's say we're going to go check on progress report here. If you click on their name, it's going to show you all the courses they're in. Then you can pick which course they're in during your hour. Or if you go up to this little orange tab, you can pull down to progress report. And remember, I just wanted to talk a little bit about their target completion, because I know as parents come to you or contact you, they're going to have questions because some of them are a little bit different. So in this this example here, he is just showing you, we have put in the start date and this is the target completion date for the semester. So Edgenuity actually tracks where they should be every day. So it's saying that with the end date of 12/18, they should be 22.9% along in this course. He is 22.3, so he's in the blue, and you want to see a blue or a green. Student would actually be ahead in a green. If you start seeing red, that's when we might have to discuss it. And definitely touch base with those kids, because I know since we were on block scheduling, they can be behind a little bit. So the relative grade is showing you if they were to stop this course right now, they'd get a 15% in it, which is not great. The actual grade they have right now is a 96.1. So make sure when you're putting in grades that you're putting in the actual grade and not the relative grade, because this will actually freak a lot of parents out. Okay, so to go back to show you where to access a grade book and look a little bit differently at it, you go to courses up here, click on gradebook. Remember that you should always be under the College and Career Readiness Center. The other places, that's where all of our students work from. Then you can go and select which class that you have to look at. And we're just going to use this one. So this is all of the students that we have, no matter what hour they are in this course. So this is something that you could check to see their progress. If there is a little yellow pencil here, that means that there's something that needs to be hand graded. Okay? So this is another area that you could go through and check and help them out as far as that goes. And remember, like, I wouldn't be as worried about these reds. The ones that are a little bit further behind here, like this, definitely it's that time that we need to be starting to contact their parents and making sure they know that they are significantly behind. Those are the areas that you need to check to make sure that your kids are on target. If you have any questions, remember to email me or stop by. Thanks.